Hello, I'm Claire from Heart and Parcel. At Heart and Parcel, we learn English by cooking together, eating together, and sharing recipes together. Due to COVID-19 and the lockdown that followed, in April and May, we taught our English and cooking classes online to over 300 learners across the UK. Now, we'd like to announce that our online cooking and English classes are back. These classes are for all ESOL levels, and any students can join in with them at home. Each class is live streamed on YouTube Live. Every week, we will cook delicious food from the Heart and Parcel cookbook, taking recipes from our wonderful Heart and Parcel students. And we will add some extra ones as well. Of course, you'll practice your English language, learning new words to help you with your English language study during this time. After class, you will receive homework that you can complete easily and online. You will get an instant score. We also have another class on Zoom. You can take your homework and your questions from the live stream to the Zoom class, where our qualified teachers will be there to help you. You can also chat with them and your classmates about food, English language, and much, much more. Finally, we have a WhatsApp group where you can practice your English reading and writing throughout the week. You can post your recipes, stories, photos, and videos about food and share these with your classmates and the Heart and Parcel teachers. So, 2 classes, weekly homework, and a WhatsApp group. You can do all of them, or 1 of them, or 2 of them. It's up to you. All these classes are free, and the main class is every Wednesday from 6 p.m. until 7 p.m. UK time. The first main class starts on the 1st of July. So, come and join us. Register with your name, email address, and phone number in the link in the description below, and we will get back to you with more information. See you in class!